Hello guys, this is Michael from Making Systems. Now today I'm going to show you how to create a simple website, no coding involved, with Mobirise. I'll drop a link in the description. Now let's quickly launch Mobirise. Now this episode we'll be focusing on designing a menu. Now I want to introduce you to the basic layout of a website, of a web page. I beg your pardon. Now every web page usually contains a bar at the top called the menu. So here we have the logo here, and this section we have the menu items, like where we have the home, services, about, contact, what have you. Alright, that is the menu. And then just below the menu is an image that usually tells the visitor what your website is about. So it is called the hero image. The hero image. Now in Mobirise it is called the header. The header. Now just below the hero image or the header we have the main content or the main body of your website. So that is where you put all your posts and your services, what have you. And then at the bottom is the footer area. Now the footer contains the quick links, the subscription form, social media icons, and other call to actions you want the user to perform rather than exiting out of your website. Now let me demonstrate this layout with our web page. So this is our web page, right? So this is the menu area with our menu items, and all our navigations have been set. Right, and then just below the menu is the hero image, the header, this area here. So education and tech, this area tells us what our website is about, and then the main body of the website, and then at the bottom we have the footer area here. So let's get back to Mobirise and let's create a new project. So hover on the top left corner, click on site, and we create a new site. So let's give the project a name. So my website, and we choose the Mobirise for theme. We click OK. Now in this space you click on this icon to begin. So make sure you are on the menu and you insert any of the pre-designed menu bars here. So everything you see here is customizable. So let's change the logo here. So we click on the icon, browse computer, so we can insert our logo, which is pretty simple. Okay, so let's change the site branding. So we can change the site branding. So let's use Mikinet Consult. Now the menu items here, the home, we can customize each of these. So let me change this one to home. So home, let me get rid of this S, and then services. So I can click on this add item icon to add another one and change this one to services. So about, let me change this one real quick to contact. let me get rid of the space to the right. Okay, so home, services, about, contact. So those are the menu items. Now I want to change the icons, the menu items, the icons for the menu items. Now the home is okay, so you can click on the icon, select any depending on your preference, all right. Okay, let me change that for the contact. Great. Now this page we have here is usually the home page. Now what about the services page, the about page, and the contact page? So we have to create additional pages. So we are going to create 3 additional pages for the services, the about, and the contact. So to do that, hover on the top left corner, the hamburger icon, you click on pages, create new, so services, okay, create new, about, oops, create new, contact. Okay, so now our menu has been designed nicely. Now we are left with the navigation. Now when someone clicks on services, where should the person go to? The services page, right? So to do that, just click on the item you want to edit, click on the link. Now click on the page tab, site pages, and select services, so that the person will be directed to the services page. So do same for the about, site pages, about, insert, and then contact. You do same for contact, click on the link, page, site pages, contact, insert. So now we have set our navigation for our menu items. Now usually the logo is it's a convention to set your home page for the logo. So I'm going to do that. So I'll click on the logo and then edit the link. Oops, edit the link right here, pages, select home, insert. Okay, so I'll do same for the site branding, page, site page, home, and insert. Now we have designed our menu. Now here we have the setting icon here. You can let's tweak a few settings. Now here you can adjust the menu, the logo size. Now you can see that adjusting the logo size also adjusts the menu bar. All right, so okay, so you can decide to either show the logo or hide, show brand name or hide. You can change the item hover color. Okay, so that when we hover on an item, that is great. Transparent, okay, because of the colors I'm gonna leave it this way. And then the hamburger color, you can change the hamburger color to your liking. Now you know when you switch to a mobile view, the menu is shown in the hamburger icon here, the 3 strips here. So when you click on it, you have your menu items. So everything is looking great. So that will be all for now. I will see you again in the next one.